Welcome back. I'm going to be doing my lashes using this lash band. I don't do this too often, but since I'm doing it right now, I might as well go ahead and record it so I can show you guys how I get it done. To get started, I'm going to be going in with my lash band, my glue, and my tweezer. I'll be using the scissors to cut the lash band into pieces. I'll then go in with my tweezer and I'll be dipping that in a ball of glue. So once that's all done, I'm just going to go in with the tweezer and I'll be applying the lash beneath my natural eye line. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit stuffy, but you're just going to want to cut through the spaces of the lashes. After you have one of those sections, you're going to hold it like this and just face it downward because you're going to be dipping the top portion into the glue. And I'm just using hair glue because it's a little bit stronger. So there you go. Boom. If you think that you have too much, you could just take off a little bit on your hands. And it dries very fast, so I just try to go as quick as possible. And you go into the section, drop it, fan it back, just like so. Voila. And I just start from the outer side of my eye and I work my way in. I feel like it's a little bit easier. I can see how the lashes flow. It's pretty much just repeating the same steps until you're done. If you don't want to, you really don't have to put that corner one in, but I just added it for some extra effect, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. When I'm finished, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what both my eyes look like. Okay. Tell me these don't look good, because I know what to do. Ha! Because I know what to do. Like, these are my lashes. Like, what are you talking about? This is what the end result looks like. They're pretty bomb. Not sure how long they're gonna last, but I'm hoping they'll stay for a couple of days, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification to be notified whenever I upload a video, okay?